Hello. The last video, we learned how to build a model. Now today's episode on basis of the our model will try to create a different types of Power BI reports and how to connect from our local desktop Power BI to our cloud semantic model which we built in the previous episode.
Let's get started. Welcome to VJ Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let me open our Power BI desktop. Click on sign in. Make sure that we are using Microsoft Fabric credentials here. Okay. After successful login, all the related resources, the Fabric related resources, you can see here in the recent tab. Just ours is like adventure workspace, right? Just I clicked on adventure workspace. Yeah, well, now you can say that we are successfully able to communicate our Microsoft Fabric workspace from our local Power BI desktop. So here there are some few pre-built reports. If you look at here, it's a sales report, right? The sales report and how many bikes and components and clothing and accessories and based on the fiscal year. See, based on the fiscal year. So by default, it is created for you. If you want to use it, you can use it. You can customize these reports how you wanna make it. But if you look at then the right side, these tables basically it's built on top of the your bronze layers, right? It's not these tables are not round table, right? These are all not from the our model. The model basically you know that, right? How we have built our model in the previous episode, right? It's supposed to be a dim underscore the customer, dim underscore the date, dim underscore reseller, like that, right? Fact underscore order table. Those tables are not here because just I have connected to our Microsoft Fabric workspace. Now what I can do is, if you want to use these reports, you can use it, you can utilize it for just to demonstrate for the basic understanding. So basically for the business requirement, these reports are not sufficient, isn't it? Now what I can do is click on get data and click on more. Here we have a Fabric native connector and click on here and see our model, the semantic model. In the last episode we have created, right? We will use that semantic model now. Connect. Okay, this is the one which we have created, right? The last one, Gold Power BI semantic model. Click on. Okay. So we need all the tables, right? Just I will select all the tables. See, this is our actual model. Under this model, these are all the tables. These are all the tables we are referring from the goal layer. Submit. It's okay, fine. Security alert. Okay, now you can see here we have all our tables. If you don't want these tables, the customer date and all this, these tables you can remove. If not, you can remove all these things. We can freshly, we can also just for your understanding, I just we are differentiating with the uh, without model also, with model also. That with model we are trying to build the new report. Let me click on new page, and here we have our tables, right? Now let me take a card now. Okay, okay, I will try to. What we can do is, we should have a question, right? What exactly we are trying to build here. So we will try to create a report for order analysis.
Click here and what I will take sales from our fact orders. Sum up sales. Okay, here we go to 11 million, and then also I will take another card. Let me take orders, sum up orders from the fact table again. The order quantity 8 million. Okay. We are creating just order analysis. Okay. If you want to do some, visualizations also, that can be done. What you can do is, and you can change the styles and visual borders and shadows, whatever. See, now it's able to see there are multiple options here. You can explore here if you are familiar with the Fabric or Power BI. Anybody can play with this. So now next, now what we can do is we will try to check the fiscal year based on the fiscal year. How many orders, like that order quantity based on the fiscal year. The fiscal year date dimensions we have, and I will take a fiscal year, and the based on the physical here, right? I will do the line chart here and then order quantity again. You can arrange this here. Perfect. What I can do is put it ascending order and physical here. Perfect. Now also I will keep the ascending order. What we can do is we can enable the data labels as well. Now you can see the 4 millions in the particular year, fiscal year 2020. Now next what we can do is we can do more, and I will try to find the, okay, we will do one thing. We will try to find the orders based on the fiscal year, like, by region. We will try to find the by region, how much the sales. So how many orders we got based on the region. Region we will try to identify, just I will taking the order quantity. What we can do is I will take a pie chart and order quantity based on the region. Region might be under customer region, yeah. Here country region, here I have perfect. But here I can see a lot of blanks here. What I can do is I will remove these blanks. Let me go to filters and I will remove blanks. Perfect. I have removed blanks here. Now I can see United States has more orders, right?
And also you can do visual data style, borders and shadow. Here also you can keep visual borders and shadows. Perfect. You can arrange how you want to play with this one. You can play with this. Okay. Now, perfect. Okay. So we can see here, right? Number of orders based on the region, and also orders based on the fiscal year. How many orders you got? Like the sales and also order quantity also. So now what I want to check here is I would like to check. Okay, through which channel we got the more orders. Okay, then we'll try to find the through which channel we got the more orders. Like fact orders. Like I will take a channel here and order quantity, right? Let me do one thing. So order quantity I will take here. I can drag it here, right? Okay. You can see here we are getting more orders from the resellers. For sellers quantities is more than, see, internet. See here we have a lot of orders from the sellers, but internet we have very limited orders we are getting, but through the sellers we are getting the more orders. You understand? This is how basically you can create a reports. So how you want to play, you can play with these reports. So this is how we can create a report based on the complete order analysis we have built on top of our model.
I hope you learned how to create a Power BI reports on top of our model. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in this video and I will respond you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next video. Bye bye.